island. So during night time, it serves as a boulevard. A lot of people dating, drinking, and
good morning. So right now we are here at Bohol Plaza Hotel, Panglao Island, Bohol. So ang akbang kay ang Bohol Island. So where I am right now is Panglao Island. So our first stop, Baclayon Church, the oldest church in Bohol. The bell tower. Asin Tibuok. Moni siya ito ang second stop from the
accredited na sa NHI, the actual site. So, naana tayo monument po ana. Pero, ayun na lang lalisa kay every history dahil lain ng joke author no. We have here the mouth of the river and the estuary. The estuary is where the sea and fresh water meet at your right side. Farther pa dito ang boat ni Daphne Legazpi. While sa left side, naabot tayo mga floating restaurant. Number of trees. Sama na siya, mahogany, nara, o mga singkil, lawaan, kamagong mix na natin sa sulod. But greater percentage of these trees are red mahoganies. Pag Typhoon Odette na nangatumba, nangauka, unya, nangatali. We're encouraged to use more the bamboos. As I said, ang among ubod sa kawatyan dili sa lubi. Wala tayo share during the pita kay dagko ang sanga. Dili
about the tarsier and important rules to be followed before entering the site. Tarsiers are known to be one of the smallest primates in the world.
Bagjok pa din. Nabuog yung akong ko. Nalimot lagi ko. Kanya, di ay mangnilong na sila itong ilaw sa mga kanang kuan nila, mga bato nga exhibit. Ano na sila, makita na sila maraglamod-lamod nila. Brightness! All things bright and beautiful. Beautiful. All creatures bright and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Salamat Lord sa maayong weather.
the Chocolate Hills, Carmen, Bohol. Okay. May turista.
One family, HGM! Okay, picture!
Pinas, Yosi, and Bohol!
Continue the study of the neighboring hills composition and they apply for accreditation. That's why we came up into 1,776. Yes, or 30 minutes right from here next stop sa Bayan. People dangerous na siya. But, bitasan ang guna siya sa
Yung governor diri ma.
si Attorney Aristotel Aumentado, the son of our former governor, buutan po.
Aumentado.
Aumentado,
Aumentado,
ang
ma'am.
kalsada nga asfaltado, gamong simentado.
Iya po construction.
Sa Edileman. Panahon sa iya ang tatay.
Mga tourism, man mo dapat kabulog.
Only in Bohol, no?
Cute. Ang dagway. Okay. Last one, number one.
Yes, be responsible. Okay? Dagko na mo. And then up until 10 o'clock.